Good day to the honorable judges. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our video. Hello, my name is Malva.
I am Shafa.
I am Lia and we are from Indonesian School of Kuala Lumpur. Before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever been in a traditional market or a supermarket? If yes, you have probably seen the protein waste from chicken or fish, such as the bone, fins, gills, heads or tails. So far, these protein waste haven't been used optimally, and they were only used for feed or fertilizer, so the economic value is very small. In order to increase the economic value, therefore, we are reusing the fish pot that are commonly thrown away as the main ingredient to make gelatin. Did you know that the food that you found on a daily basis consists of gelatin? Foods such as gummy bears, marshmallow, and ice cream all contain gelatin. This is why we think gelatin is the most reasonable product to make because gelatin can be found in the stuff we use daily. So, what is gelatin? Gelatin is a type protein obtained from collagen fiber in skin, bone, and animal cartilage. In our research, the main ingredient that we use is the head, fins, tail, and gills of doublewhip threadfin bream fish. The way to achieve it is by using the gravimetric method through the process of degreasing, demineralization, extraction, and drying.
The first step is degreasing, which is the process of cleaning the remains of meat, scales, and the outer layer that contains high fat deposits. Degreasing is carried out by boiling the samples for 1 hour, and we repeat the process for 3 times. The second step is demineralization. This process is done to remove calcium salts and other salts from the bones so that the bones are free from minerals. For this process, the samples are washed using filtered water for 3 times. The third step is extraction. Extraction is a process of separating one or more soluble substance from an insoluble unit with the help of a solvent. In this study, we used the solid-liquid extraction, which is the separation process from solids using liquid as the solvent. This extraction process is carried out by soaking the samples in the vinegar solution. To continue the extraction process, we put the samples in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After 1 hour has passed, the samples were filtered using a cloth strainer. Lastly, the samples went through the drying process. The drying process or method is a way to remove most of water from the material by using heat energy. This process was carried out in an oven at 60 degrees Celsius for 48 hours.
This research was conducted to determine the yield of gelatin with the best yield from a variety of main ingredients in the form of heads, fins, tails, and gills of threadfin bream fish. Based on the table, it shows that the heat sample has an average yield of 6.918%, followed by the gill samples with an average yield 1.507%, fin samples with 14.925%, and tail samples with 8.925%. It can be concluded that the main ingredients from the threadfin bream fish produces the best gelatin with an average yield of 14.925%. So, we have succeeded in making gelatin from the fish waste. This means that fish or other protein waste that we often find in the market can also be processed into gelatin, which has a higher economic value. That's all for our video. We would like to apologize for any mistakes made in this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.